Hi, I'm Derek Bisson. If you're a citizen of a country outside of the United States and you're looking to purchase real estate here in the state of Florida, and you've tried to get financing from a local bank or credit union, you may have already realized that most of these banks don't actually have a program for you. What you're looking for is actually called a foreign national loan. This is a program that is actually very popular for folks who are looking to get home loans when they don't have a U.S. citizenship status. Now, these loans come in all sorts of different types of varieties. We offer a wide variety of options, but for this video, we're going to focus on our most popular, which is our full doc foreign national loan program. So in this video, we're going to cover the following topics. First, we'll cover the features and benefits of our foreign national program. Next, we'll help you determine if you're eligible for this program. And lastly, we'll cover the required documentation needed for this program. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, features and benefits. Our foreign national program was designed for well-qualified applicants. So you'll be asked to demonstrate your ability to repay the new loan. So we do make every attempt to verify your ability to repay the new loan, which means we verify the income and assets of the country where the applicant's income and assets are derived from, not the applicant's country of origin. This is an important distinction. For instance, a Venezuelan applicant who resides, works, and holds most of their assets in Canada would be underwritten with the down payment and guidelines of a Canadian citizen, not a Venezuelan citizen. With that in mind, we will lend to citizens of most countries as long as that country does not appear on the United States' OFAC list. Occupancy types include owner-occupied homes, second or vacation homes, or investment properties. Now, down payment requirement depends upon a couple of different factors. Number one, the country, and number two, the occupancy. For most owner-occupied or second home scenarios, the minimum down payment would be 35% of the purchase price. For investment homes, most would require a 45% down payment minimum, again, for investment homes only. Now, certain countries may require additional down payment. For instance, we currently require a down payment of 40% for citizens of Brazil. And if you're a citizen of Venezuela, we do require a down payment of 50%. Credit. U.S. credit is not required. If you do have a credit report from your country of origin, we can accept that. And of course, bank reference letters from banks in your country of origin are highly encouraged. Interested party contributions. So if you're receiving a credit from a seller, a builder, a realtor, etc., you can receive up to 4% of the purchase price to use towards your closing cost. That's for owner-occupied and second homes. If it's an investment home, you would be limited to 2% maximum of the sales price. You'll be required to open up a new U.S. bank account for the reserves and automatic monthly payments at an institution of our choosing. This happens usually about 2 to 3 weeks from the closing date. And again, it is only for the purpose of the automatic monthly payments. For most countries, we require that account to maintain a balance of 4 times the full monthly payment, including principal, interest, property taxes, and insurance. For citizens of China and Brazil, currently it's 8 times the principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. And for Venezuelan citizens, it's 10 times the principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. This account needs to be maintained in a satisfactory manner, or your loan interest rate could be subject to a 2% increase if it's not properly maintained. This loan does have a reserve requirement equal to 20 months of all minimum required payments after closing. If for citizens of Brazil, that increases to 25 months. Translation of documents. If the applicant's country of origin does not show English as the primary language, then a professional interpreter or an employee of the title company fluent in their native language must be present to explain all loan documents and must sign as either a professional interpreter or as an authorized employee of the title company. Closing must be on U.S. soil or a U.S. embassy on a case-by-case basis. This account has no escrow requirement. So you'll be self-managing the premiums for your property taxes and for your homeowner's insurance. And of course, if there's a homeowners association, you would pay that as well. Eligible property types for this loan include single-family homes, townhomes or villas, multifamily homes, condominiums, condotels, and potentially other types of specialty type properties. Our loan size ranges from $100,000 all the way up to $6 million. Next up is eligibility. Any non-U.S. citizen may be eligible provided the country does not appear again on the United States OFAC list. I'll include a link to that in the description below. And finally, if you'd like to get started with one of these loans, here's the documentation we would need. We require a valid passport, the most recent 2 years of tax returns for your country, the most recent 30 days of pay stubs, the most recent 2 to 3 months of bank statements for all banking accounts. That includes checking, savings, money market, and retirement if applicable. If your country has a credit report, we would like to see that as well. But again, you don't need U.S. credit for this loan. And if you have a credit reference letter from your banking relationship, this is highly encouraged. Okay, and that's it. We hope you found this information helpful. And of course, if you'd like even more information about our foreign national program, be sure to check out unconventionallending.com. In the description below, I'm going to include a link to our foreign national resource page. There's a lot of great information there, including the current interest rates and a lot more. Of course, if you're looking to purchase, refinance, or get pre-approved for your next dream home anywhere in the state of Florida, we would love the opportunity to assist you. Thanks again for watching. I'm Derek Bisson, and this is Unconventional Lending.